Guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Katie, and today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some new outdoor furniture pieces that I got and also some home updates for the summertime. I'm super excited to share with you my dream backyard furniture. I'm going to be setting up my ledge lounger furniture. If you're not familiar with them, they offer a bunch of outdoor furniture and also pool furniture. So here I'm going to set up my chaise. This is the autograph chaise. It is so sleek and modern, you guys. And all you have to do is fill it up with your pool water. It comes fully assembled. So you can see I'm opening boxes here. This is their lace pillow. It is so comfortable. Jaden loves floating in there if you guys saw my Instagram video. And here is the headrest pillow that you put in the autograph shades to, give you that extra comfort. I will be linking everything down below from Ledge Lounger, and I want to thank them for providing this product for my backyard. Here are the legacy shades. I love that they come with this little clip so your cushion is secure so the wind doesn't blow them away. And honestly, this became my new reading spot. I love coming in here, opening the umbrella, and just chilling by the pool and reading my favorite book. The Legacy Shades comes in 15 different colors and has 5 reclining positions, so you guys can find your perfect comfort zone. Here's the hobby. He's gonna set up my side table, which I'm super excited for it. Again, we fill this up with pool water and then we just position it where we want it. And I'm gonna position mine right in the middle so I could add my umbrella. This umbrella, it's also from Ledge Lounger. Check the description box, guys, because I'm linking everything there. And this is how everything looks, you guys. I feel like the Ledge Lounger furniture really elevated my backyard, giving me that oasis that I wanted, the paradise look. So this little ledge, playita, whatever you want to call it, Baja Shelf, it's my favorite area. And I knew when I built my pool that I wanted to have the ledge lounger furniture in this area so I could just lounge around. And honestly, this became reality and I love this little area right here. It's the ultimate lounging area and it's totally worth it. I love that this modern slick autograph shades comes in 4 different colors and provide a great lumbar support. Here's how the side table looks without the umbrella. You guys can fill this up with ice and have your favorite drinks in there, your kids' juices, whatever works for you. You could just put it in there right by your pool side. And here's another shot of the autograph shades along with the side table completely closed so you guys can see the side table function of it. This table is so versatile. It's the perfect piece to complete your lounge area. Backyard, it's ready. Let's head back outside to do some DIY. I have these planters here that I had for a while from Walmart, and I'm just gonna give them a refresh by just spray painting them black. I also got this really pretty oversized base at Ross, and I'm also gonna spray paint it black. We're spray painting everything black, you guys, I'm telling you. This DIY, I want these bases to be completely removable, meaning that I could use these planters and this base again. So I use cardstock to create like a topper, and then I filled them up with this packing paper that I got at the Dollar Tree. Also, this ring is from the Dollar Tree, this little foam ring. And you guys, this is so easy. And the coolest thing is it looks so luxurious and it just makes a big statement. And I'm gonna be using them right on my dining table. The description box because I will be linking a lot of the items in today's video. For the big base, I did pretty much the same with the exception that I added these white rocks from the Dollar Tree to add weight to the middle. The moss is from Amazon, so I'm going to be here just wiping down my dining table before I add my decor. Honestly love how this turned out, and the coolest thing is that I shop my home. So you see that floral arrangement that I'm adding to my sideboard, it's the one that I had in my entryway, and I just move it. By just moving things around, you make the whole place look refreshed again. And I love that piece right there. It's so pretty. So you guys, I've been wanting to dress up this wall. I don't know if I should add trim or whatever, but I found this cool metal wall art at Burlington. And let me know what you think down in the comments. TikTok made me do it. I saw this DIY using this spotlight that are battery operated, and I had to give this a try. Here I am just setting them in and moving them around to see the way I want it. I added new moss to this plant because the one that it comes with looks really fakey. But anyways, this is how it turned out. It's a simple DIY. So for the kitchen, I kept the decor to the minimal, you guys. I've been loving simplicity lately. Just think it's such a clean design. That little base right there was from At Home and it was like $6. Here I'm just gonna be adding my cutting boards and just creating like a cute little display. And of course my bowl here where I put my fruits. And this little tray, I got it from Target online and it's the perfect size to go by your sink area. So quick overview walkthrough of how everything looks right now. I am loving that I added more black into my decor. It just looks really luxurious and at the same time very modern, which is the look that I'm going for. And that's it, you guys. That was it for today's video. I hope this video gives you some inspiration and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.